Baby, you are so hot.
I'm okay, Mama.
I'm so sorry, Athena.
I don't need medicine, Mama. It costs too much anyway.
You know Mommy loves you, right? We are gonna do everything we can. You just have to hang on, okay? Okay?
Okay, Mama. I will. I promise.
Why don't you get some sleep, sweetheart? Before that sleep monster gets you.
Johnson, Austin.
Got a tip from a neighbor that this car's been sitting here for hours.
So?
So, the witness said it's the same person that was seen with Lillian the day she went missing.
I'm moving up. Cover me.
Cover!
Cover! Cover! Put your hands on the steering wheel.
Give me back my I'm gonna call the cops.
Hello? Yeah, I need to report stolen property. His name is Alvin Malden.
So if I'm looking for some... So at this point, we have two against me. He said that she works hard, she makes little or no money, she's barely making it.
Because of her financial status, Colleen had to live in an apartment complex.
Excuse me. Are you out of your damn mind shooting one of my customers?
Look, ma'am, we'll take care of them, all right? Now, you have cameras, right?
It's a bank. What do you think? Of course we have cameras.
Gentlemen, take them all down to the station. Question, starting with her.
4. You are wide awake. 5. Your mind is clear. You are in charge and no longer need your crutch.
Next time you decide to screw someone in the guest bedroom, remember I do box pleats, not hospital corners.
My heart is a beating drum. Moves mountains, it's so strong.